Morning, Jason.
Is it?
Yeah, wet, isn't it?
It's wet.
Horrible.
It's not cold.
No.
Not cold. But
11 degrees when I was coming here. Yeah.
okay.
That's an old name there, isn't it?
What just popped in my head? 3 degrees.
3 degrees.
Can you remember who the members were? Don't tell us.
No.
Tell us in the comments.
Yeah.
Who were the members of the 3 degrees? And give us a song as well.
Yeah. That was a golden oldie, and we got another golden oldie here.
What? Dormobile.
Dormobile.
Okay.
That's an old name.
Is it?
It is.
Tell me more, Kevin. Tell me more.
Dormobile's first manufactured in 1957
Right.
on the old Bedford CA.
Right.
And they also did some of the Morris, like the J4s and the Commas. And they started off in Folkestone in Kent in 1957.
I thought you said it was 1954.
No, 57.
Oh, okay.
And then up to the 90s, and then they moved from Folkestone in Kent to Hampshire.
Right.
And they still make them to the present day.
Well, we've got one.
We've got one, yeah. And the other interesting thing, when they first started making them,
Yeah.
right, if you had a van, you didn't have to pay purchase tax on a van,
Okay.
which you did on a car, right? So when they converted into vans into minibuses and all that, they were classed as an estate car. So when they made the first Campervans, they were classed as an estate car, which meant you had to pay purchase tax on it. But then they came to an agreement with the tax people,
Yeah.
that provided it had means of life support. Yeah, don't mean a defibrillator or anything like that. If you had a cooker, somewhere to wash your clothes, somewhere to store your clothes,
Yep.
you could sleep in it,
Yeah.
you didn't have to pay purchase tax on it.
Ah.
So that's how you get your motor caravan in nowadays.
That's very clever, Kevin.
Very clever, yeah.
You're a wealth of information there.
Oh, yeah.
How long did it take you to remember that?
That is, you've got it on Google.
Thank you very much for that, Kevin.
So, here we have a Dormobile.
Well, we finally got round to it, didn't we?
Yeah, we got there, yeah, and it's on a Ford.
It's a 2020. Oh, I've got it here, 2025.
Yeah, it's a late.
Late.
It's an early 25, 'cause it's on a 7.4 plate.
Yeah, so it was registered the 7th of January 2025. So
That's
it's a
right.
baby. It's a little baby.
So your 25 plate came out in the March, because it goes from March to September, doesn't it?
Yes, Kevin, thank you. 4 berth, 4 belts, and it's a RIB 112 campervan. Could be the bed, could be anything.
Yeah.
It's got a solar on it, 100 watt. Yep. It's got a diesel heater, fresh water capacity, Kev.
Probably 10 litres.
Yes, look at you, eh? How long have we been doing this channel?
I know.
You've got one right.
Ah, we do on these, because they've only got a sink, haven't they? So.
Go on, go 400 out of 100. Well, you know what I mean. Waste.
It's either 10 litres or 0.
Come on, you've got...
I'll go with
The
the
decision is yours.
No,
No, you cheated. You can't cheat. Can't cheat.
0.
Yeah, you've won it. You've won it.
What I was going to do then was walk round and see where the waste outlet come out.
You were going to cheat, weren't you? 4.97 metres long, 2.06 metres wide, with a height of 2.03. That's with the pop top down.
Exactly, yeah, it's a bit more than 2.3.
Touch light LEDs. Nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah, they're all going for this grey, aren't they? Quite like it.
Cybertron grey.
A nice colour matched awning.
Yep, nice. Awning light. Wheels.
Yeah, nice wheels.
It's a good looking thing, Kev, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
It's a good looking thing, this is. It's going to cost you over 50k.
not
Mileage, 6,000 miles.
Yeah, it's a brand new van, isn't it?
Yeah. I wonder if it's got that smell feel, Kev.
I don't know, they don't have the leather seats like they used to for that smell of the old vehicles.
Okay. Transit custom. LPG.
Yep. Is that your hookup then?
Hook up, yeah.
Yep.
Good
Hook up down
spotting there. Good spotting. Shall we have a look inside?
There's your solar. Flexi solar.
Yes. So from the outside, Kev, it's quite a nice looking camper van.
Yeah.
Oh, the weight is 3,200 kilograms with a 384 payload as well. And it's a 2 litre Euro 6. ready?
For the reveal.
Voila!
Yeah. We have put some cardboard down because, as you can see round here, it's wet and horrible and...
It's acky.
Ugh,
Acky.
terrible, isn't it?
Right. Tell you what, nice. Now I'm liking the prep area over there.
Yeah.
Let me just go in, Kev. We have touch lights. Oh, there you go, look. All the lights come on.
It's a nice slim work area
Isn't
there
it?
as well, isn't
Yeah, yeah. We've got the compressor fridge.
it? Yep, I'll stay here for a minute. Yep.
Just do the cab, because I missed something off the cab.
Ah, automatic, Jason.
Yes.
True automatic. Yeah. Not your comformatic or anything like that.
I don't like some lighting, Kev.
Yeah, proper auto. Nice dash, actually. Look, even got the Dormobile carpet in the front, Jason.
Oh, look at that.
Eh?
Yeah. The seats swivel. Yes, they do,
Yeah,
mate.
yeah.
Yeah, we've got the swivel seats.
Got a bar there for the table. There's a table somewhere.
I'll go find that in a minute, eh?
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got the pop top. I'll just do that for you, Kev.
That's your other two berth. Well, for kiddies, really, isn't it? I don't know though. You could get two adults up
It's
there.
a good size up there, Kev.
Yeah.
It's a good size. So, we have hob. We have sink.
Yeah.
We've got the colour's growing on me, Kev.
Mm.
Right, burning question. What is that for?
Yep, I've done them before.
Come on then. Come on, what's it for?
I think we've had one before.
What is that for?
It's for removing something, isn't it?
As soon as I do something now, you'll go, ah.
Yeah. No. To remove the filter out of the tap. That's
To remove the filter out.
yeah.
So see how
They have
you
a filter.
screws?
They have a filter in the tap which do get
Shall I show you?
a bit scaled up. Yeah, go on.
Let's have a look.
Without breaking it.
I probably will do, Kev.
So if you find one of them in your van and you don't know what it's
See,
for,
there's a filter on it. There.
there's your filter there.
And then you take that off.
That filter will come out. If Jason tries to get it out, he'll probably break it. So.
Exactly. So I'll finger tight.
Yeah, and then just a touch, not too tight.
That'll do.
Yep.
Back on again.
Mhm.
There you go, look.
Yeah. What other gizmos have we got in there?
Oh, I don't know.
That's a filler of some kind. Yeah.
That is, no, I'll tell you what that one's for. I'll show you. Come out. Or you can stop there, it's up to you.
That's it. It's for filling your fuel with a can.
Yeah, because to stop it from being siphoned. So you can just put that in like that.
Yep.
And you fill it up.
Not a place I'd put it really, because you'll
No, I
smell
wouldn't
of
put
diesel
it.
in there, wouldn't you?
No, it's not been used,
Not
Kev.
been used. That's another.
That is,
That's a pourer for the water container.
could be, yeah.
There's the top of the water
Yeah.
container.
So
Yeah.
let us advance further. There you go.
There's your water container.
Works in it. LPG.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll take it we're on a camping gas a bit in there. The size of it, yeah.
It's got to be, mate. Can't be any, yeah, it can't be gas.
yeah.
You ain't going to be any smaller on that.
No.
Let's put that back
You
in.
said the heating's diesel, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diesel heater.
That's right. That's your vent there where your diesel, where your heating comes out.
Yeah. Battery test.
Yep.
What have we got there? Ooh. Ooh.
More lights.
Look.
More storage.
There's storage in there. Bit of storage there.
Yeah.
What's that one for? Ooh.
More lights.
Hey. There you go. USB, USB-C, 12 volt there as well. What else have we got in here, Kev? You know what?
Full belly seats, obviously.
Yeah. You're gonna ask me about the bed now, aren't you?
Yeah, it's not a rock and roll bed, it's a foldy out bed.
It's quite an easy one as well, Kev.
Yeah. I prefer these to the rock and
Yeah,
roll.
I do. Oh.
Yeah, so now you have to ratchet it up. That's
There we go. Good size, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a good
size
size.
bed.
I like the flatness as well, you know.
Yeah, I prefer them to rock and roll.
Yeah. One up there.
I think you're probably too high with that for putting your back up.
Oh, you would, wouldn't you? What am I doing, Kev? What have I done? Now look, what have I done? What have I done? How does that go up?
Not telling you.
What do you mean you're not telling me? Because you don't know, that's what it is.
True.
Why does that one go up?
Have you got the back too high?
Hey, good point actually. Yeah. Oh. Why does everything become a chore? There you go.
Good job, I mean, isn't it?
It's a good job, you know, Kev.
Plenty of storage under there as well, Jason.
Oh, we've got the curtains as well.
Yeah.
Did you do the cab?
Well, we looked at the, yeah. Well, we looked at its auto and it's quite,
okay.
quite a sporty cab.
Got the 2 belted seats, and then we've got the Victron charger, and also your solar one. So, there's some fuse. Yeah, give me that. And as you can see, we've got some fuses down there in the Victron. So, we've got the proper kit in there, Kev.
Yeah.
We have.
Good manufacturing.
Isofix, so we know it's a good
yeah.
secure bed. Safe.
Crash tested.
Yeah, 2 belted seats. And then
there are some
storage.
Some of these rock and roll beds on the market that are not crash tested, aren't they?
One has to be very careful, Kevin.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Is that the world's smallest awning? Wind it.
It's not very high, is it?
No, I suppose not. No. Shall we have a look at the back?
Yeah. Ooh. I like it with a tailgate like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
You can get the, as we had in one of our other vans, you can get the tent things on the back of these.
We can, Kev. We can.
There's your table, yes.
Leisure battery.
Yep. That one lifts up there as well.
Oh, hang on, lift the uppy storagey space.
More storage.
Yeah. And another little cutie storagey thing.
Yeah, you got your RCD in there.
Yeah. And as you said, these will flop down, and there we go.
Yeah. No, you're not got the bottom in, Jason.
Okay.
There you go. Do it properly.
There you go.
You've got decent storage there as well, haven't you? You got your
Yeah,
chairs
as well.
and
Do you know what I mean? It's made you good
chairs
use
and
of
everything
space,
in there,
hasn't
it?
It is. Oh, let's put that down.
I prefer the tailgate like that to a barn door, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I do. Much prefer them. It's a nice looking van, Kev.
Yeah.
Basically, it's... The layout is going to be the layout.
Yeah.
You can't really do an awful lot more with it, can you?
And it's on a Ford. If this was on a VW, you'd be paying a lot more for it.
You would, wouldn't you?
And you're still getting exactly the
And
same.
it's nicely kitted out because it contrasts, doesn't it, outside and everything.
Well, you're getting the same layout you get in a VW, aren't you?
Yeah. I do like the thinner thing though.
Yeah, it's not as, it doesn't come out as fresh, not as deep, is it?
No, I like that, and that's probably made the bed a bit bigger. I'm not sure, but nobody else will be told different online. So there you have a VW. No, we don't. A Ford.
Ford.
That wants to be a VW.
Yeah.
Or the VW wants to be... You get what I mean.
Yeah.
So if you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.